Ramadan softens hearts and opens doors for guidance. Today's reminder is about supporting those who are praying alongside their fasting, encouraging those who pray alongside their fasts. Some people reconnect deeply with worship in Ramadan, fasting and praying more consistently. This is a precious opportunity, not to judge or lecture, but to welcome them with warmth, greeting them kindly, strengthening bonds. Visiting them at home or work, and even offering small gifts can remove barriers that Shaitan places in hearts' distance, hesitation, or discomfort with religious spaces. Rather than focusing on what they haven't done before, Ramadan invites us to ask, how can we help this person take one more step toward Allah? Gentle companionship, sincere care, and good character can nurture lasting commitment to prayer and worship. Guidance grows best in an atmosphere of love, not pressure. Ramadan is a season of openings, and sometimes your kindness becomes the bridge that keeps someone close to Allah long after the month ends. A warm heart invites lasting worship. Welcome others with kindness, encourage without judgment. Help hearts stay connected to prayer. Like if this reminder resonated. Comment. Have you seen someone reconnect with prayer in Ramadan? Subscribe to Light of Āmīn for day 24 of 30 Ramadan 40 advices. May Allah make us bridges to goodness and guidance. Āmīn.